Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over S minus 7. The next one, that should be about bh plus c over h squared minus 4h plus 13, because we have the power 2 in here. So on numerator, we need to reduce by 1 power. So that's why we have h, and later that we need to reduce from h to the power of 1 to h to the power of number 0 in here. That's why we have c. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about h squared minus 4h plus 13. So capital A multiplied by h squared minus 4h plus 13. About this one, it is missing about h minus 7. So we have bh plus c multiplied by s minus 7. And now we need to put this one in here. Next, we need to expand this one. So we have bh squared minus 7bh plus ch minus 7c. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h squared, we have a plus b. About h, we have negative 4a, negative 7b plus c. About the numbers, we have 13a minus 7c. And now we need to compare coefficients. About h squared, we have number 5. So a plus b equals to number 5. About h, we have this one equals to negative number 9. About this one equals to negative number 4. So we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 5. Negative 4a, negative 7b plus c equals to negative number 9. And the last one. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to 89 over 17. B equals to negative number 4 over 17. C equals to 175 over 17. And now we put A, B, C go in here. Next, we can separate them in here. So number 13 we can put into 4 plus 9. This one we have 4 plus 9. So this one, that is about identity. This one we have 3 to the power of 2. Similar for this one. Next, we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. The formula in here. So here is the formula in here. But about this one, we have h minus a. This one we just have only h. A in here, that's a about number 2. So in this situation, we need to add number in here. So they should be about positive 8/17. Later that we need to minus number 8/17. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 4/17. And we got like this. About this one, we need to have b. For this one, we need to create about the numbers for b, and that's about number 3 in here. This one we have 167/17. Now we need to create about b. So we have number 3. So I will put number 3 on numerator and denominator in here. So this one we calculate, and we have 51. Now we can apply the formula in here. About this one, we have number 7. So a equals to number 7, and we need to transform this one into this one. The next one, we have this one in here. That's it in here. So we have negative number 4/17, and we put about e to the power of a. A is about number 2, and we have cosine bt. So b, that's about number 3 in here. The next one, that is about e to the power of 2t, and we have sine 3t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.